Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this DOOGEE. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. Then select Notifications here and click on See All from last 7 days. After that, just click on Most Recent over here and select one of those options. I will go with Most Frequent. After that, select one of your apps and click on the switcher next to it. As you can see, all notifications from my app are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just tap on the same switcher. But you can also just click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!